close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't want what's left.
We ordered from
We'll go
online shopping, which is available in 3 countries here in the Middle East. One in Egypt, one in United Arab Emirates, and one here in Saudi Arabia. So right now, I'm in Saudi Arabia. So come and join me in my unboxing. We are going to unbox first is a Redmi Note 7 screen protector. So the second one is a necklace, also from Noon. And then the third one is iPhone X Max, iPhone X10 Max. And then last, we're going to unbox a Apple Pencil first generation. Okay, but before we are going to open this item, we need knife. So let's start.
I think you don't need knife.
You have to be careful in opening these things because there is tendency that we might break the item inside. Here.
You break the case.
So, I see. So they already put what kind of thing is this one?
Good packaging, right?
Yes.
To protect.
It is to protect. You see, only this one, they cover it with this one. So it is really protected. It's safe. So here, the Redmi Note 7 screen protector.
Yes.
So we're going to check inside. Inside, there is here the protector itself. And then, as usual, the wipers.
Yeah. How much is that?
It costs, I think, it's 16 riyal.
16 real. Okay.
Okay, we're done with this one. So the second one is a necklace that cost 55 riyal.
55 real. Only
Yes.
necklace.
So we're gonna open it very safely. Here on the side. And then, here. I think this is for boy, right?
Yes, of course. You did not recognize it.
Yeah, it's for boy.
You know that's a necklace.
I think it's for
Naruto.
Bang J. It's gonna be your gift for Bang J,
Not cute.
or it's yours
Yeah, it's
for
mine.
for personal use. Okay.
Can you open it?
Yeah, sure. So here, guys,
Wow.
54. I think it's from
50%.
what character?
Naruto.
Naruto, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
To control the chakra.
Wow. Guys, you can control the chakra with this one. So you have to wear this every day. Okay, guys. Okay, the third unboxing is for an iPhone 10 or iPhone X Max. My friend is so rich that he has this iPhone X Max.
No, just kidding.
Oh
my god. I like the sign.
How much is
I like
this
the
one?
symbol.
It's 35 riyal.
35 real. It's worth it.
Yeah, and then I think this is also
Can you open?
character, I think?
Yes, character. Anime.
Anime character. Because my friend is fan of anime.
Anime lover.
Yes.
You can describe what kind of the keys? inside? Nothing. Is there the description?
There is no description here,
Okay.
but I think this is made of silicone.
Silicone?
Yeah.
Yes, that's it.
Okay guys, for the final, we're going to unbox the Apple Pencil first generation. And
Wow.
based on what I know, this is compatible with the iPad 2017 versions, I think, and also with what?
iPad Pro.
iPad Pro 2017, right? And then also
iPad.
the good thing here is it's compatible with the latest 2018 version of the iPad.
iPad 6th
Yes.
generation.
So let's start opening it. You still need a knife. And then the price of this one, by the way, is 457. 457.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. There is
Pick up.
Apple logos. Apple logos.
Here. Apple Pencil.
Yes. Be careful.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Finally. Just pull it. Yeah.
The Apple Pen
look
to
at
the
that.
pencil from the Apple.
Okay.
Let's see what's inside this one. There is extra
Extra
pen
tips.
and then there is a connector here for your charger, and then the manuals are very important because it's a guide on how you're going to use this product. Let's return it back and let's see how is pencil. Here, this is the pencil itself. It really look like a pencil, and also when you are holding it, the grip is like it's like you are really holding a pencil, real pencil. And then how to remove this cover. This one only. So here guys, the pencil. Okay guys, thank you for watching.